Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I wanted to inform you guys that beadingschool.com by Erika is having a Box Mania week sale. The sale started March 22nd and it ends on the 29th. And right now, their white curated bead boxes are on sale and their fuchsia special deal bead boxes are on sale. Plus, there's an extra 10% off. And the reason why they're having this huge sale is because they are moving out of one building into a much larger building that can accommodate all of their needs. So this is the cheapest the boxes have been. Now, here I have on my tablet the white curated collection of the boxes that she sells. And I got 3 of the boxes on this page, and I will show you what I got in the boxes and pictures. And I'm also going to show you what I made with those boxes in case you want to make the same things. And I'm going to link down there below the white curated boxes. You'll see a link for that's this page here. And I'm also going to link the dangerous fuchsia boxes, the selection for the fuchsia, down there below in the description bar. Alright, now first I'm going to go over what I got in the past and what I made with it. But there's a lot of other choices. I did not receive all of their boxes. They still have so much more to offer. So I really recommend that before you even buy the romantic box, the one I have, that you look around at the other colors available because they offer so much. And again, I've said it before when I've worked with these boxes that these boxes have the highest quality materials, beading supplies, and metal findings. So the first box that I got from them is this one right here, the romantic box. And I'll put a picture up now of what I got in that box. The theme of that box was pinks and purples. And I ended up making a ring with that box. I'll put a picture up now of the ring that I'm talking about. And after I made the ring, I ended up making a pendant. I have 2 pictures of that for you so you can see the whole piece, what it looks like, and see a close-up of it. So I'll put those 2 pictures up now. Alright, so that is what I got in the romantic box. But the other ones here, these are kind of connected to this box. They're other colorways, basically. I believe that they have the same bead shapes and sizes. It's just the colors different from what I can remember. So the ocean one has like blues and greens and like ocean themed colors in it. And then the elegant box, I think this is more of like neutral colors, and then the fire one is red, yellow, orange. They're so gorgeous. You have to check these boxes out. And then there's the forest one, which of course is going to be like greens and browns and earthy tones and stuff like that. And then there is the rainbow box. And the other ones here I have not checked out, but it looks like those 2 are sold out. But down here I did get these 2 boxes. And so I'm going to talk about this one next. The summer box that I got, Summer Spirit. This was so loaded with beads. I ended up making filigree, 2 different filigree earrings with them. Although they looked different, they were actually kind of made the same. I just had some different things that I did to make them look like they were totally different earrings. So I'm going to put a picture up now of what I got in the summer box. All the colors are gorgeous. And I'm going to put a picture up of the earrings that I made with the Summer Spirit box. Recently got this one. This is the sparkly Snowflake box. And with this box, I did want to do a snowflake, but Erika, she actually made a snowflake with this box, and I felt like I could not top it because it was so gorgeous. And I just started playing with the beads in this box, and I ended up creating something very different. It's not a snowflake, but it is a gorgeous design, and I will put a picture up now of the earrings that I'm talking about. Now let's go to the fuchsia boxes. So this here probably has one of my most favorite boxes. Let me scroll. So as you can see, they have a rhinestone cup chain box that has different colors. They have a filigree box. This here, I believe this is cubic zirconian metal findings, like earring findings and stuff. They have sew-on rhinestones. And this box here, this is probably one of my most favorite boxes that I got from them. This is the special deal 550 piece Preciosa bicone beads. Now I believe 550 was just for one box. And I ended up getting the set. This one is the Sun box and this is the Moon box. And they just have two different colorways. I'm going to put a picture up now of all of the bicones I got in both of these boxes because there is just so many colors. I made 3 rings with this box. I used a whole bunch of bicones and I just mixed the colors together, and I still had a ton of bicones left over. It was an awesome box. So I'll put a picture up now. Now after I made a ring with this box, I ended up getting the special deal pearl boxes. Now here this says Romeo, that's one box, Juliet, or you can get the Romeo and Juliet boxes, which is what I got. And it comes with a tutorial. And I'll put a picture up now of all of the pearls that came in both the Romeo and Juliet boxes. So there was a lot of pearls there, and I was still so in love with the bicone box that I ended up putting the bicones and the pearls together in a necklace. And I'll put a picture up now of the Romeo and Juliet necklace. This is it. I just wanted to inform you guys about the huge sale that beadingschool.com is having, and again, I am going to link this page here that has the white curated boxes. So you'll see the link for this page down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to link this page here, which has the Fuchsia special deal boxes. You'll see both links down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to link the boxes that I got here individually. So I will link the Romantic box, the Summer Spirit box, the special deal bicone, and the pearl boxes down below. And I will also link the sparkly Snowflake box down below. And I'm also going to link all of the video tutorials that I did with those boxes down there below in the description bar. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.